Hi, I'm Michelle from Long's Car Care Center. The other day, a gal called me and she was really concerned because her car was making this horrible squealing sound when she'd started up. She wanted to know how much it was going to cost to repair it. I told her until we got a chance to look at it, I wasn't going to really be able to give her a price because it could be that her serpentine belt is wearing out. It could be that the idler or the pulley are not working quite right or the tensioner is out of whack. It could just be that the belt needs to be tightened up. So she brought her car in, we figured out what was going on with it, we got rid of that squeal, and she was a very happy camper, and so were her neighbors. So give us a call at 425-481-1739, Long's Car Care Center, the car care center that cares about you and your car.